Hi there, today on It Is a Keeper, I'm showing you how to make smoky, zesty campfire sauce. This awesome sauce is a knockoff of the classic Red Robin dipping sauce. It's perfect for fries and onion rings and burgers, chicken nuggets, anything dippable. Now make sure you click on the red subscribe button below so you're notified whenever I share a new recipe. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Okay, so wait till you see how easy this campfire sauce is to make. And I just love it because it's so smoky and zippy and it's just awesome. So it starts with mayonnaise. We're gonna get that into our bowl. Let's get it all out. To our mayonnaise, I'm going to add some prepared barbecue sauce. Now you can make your own, and I have a great recipe for a delicious 10-minute barbecue sauce on It Is a Keeper. I'll include the link in the show notes so you can grab that if you want to make that. But I'm just using a bottled version here, and I look for the hickory smoked version, right? Because we want that extra smoky flavor because it's a campfire sauce. And what comes with a campfire but a little bit of smoke? So now we are going to kick up the flavor, and here I'm using Tabasco sauce, but not plain Tabasco. It's the Chipotle version because that Chipotle just adds that smoky, peppery flavor. So I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of that. Okay, there we go. And next up, we're gonna continue with that smoky flavor, and we're going to add a little ground Chipotle chili powder to this. So that Chipotle powder is giving us some more smoke. And then we just gonna add a couple of dashes of Worcestershire sauce. And I'm gonna swap out my spatula for a whisk. And we're just gonna get this all whisked up. This is so good. It smells so good already. The barbecue sauce, I can smell like that sweet vinegary smell. And then the Tabasco with the Chipotle chilies. Ooh, so good. Okay, that's all it takes to make this delicious campfire sauce. So now what we need to do, we need to pop this in the fridge. It's gotta sit for a little bit, right? We want all those flavors to come together. So I'm gonna pop it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes, but I would probably do it a little bit longer just to really let everything to come together. The longer it sits, the better it is. So I'm gonna pop it in the fridge and we'll be back to check this out. Okay, so our campfire sauce has chilled, gave time for all those flavors to come together, and I can't wait to dip in. So I am using some of these Idaho finger steaks that I've made. You can find this recipe on my YouTube channel and my website. I'll put the link in the video descriptions. Check it out, you would love these. They're basically crispy coated steak strips. And we're going to dip them into this sauce. Just look at that lusciousness. I'm going in and I'm dripping it all over my fingers. Mmm. Mmm. It is sweet and smoky and a little zippy, not too much. You'd think it'd be a little zippier with the Tabasco in it, but it's not too peppery. So if you don't like hot foods, definitely give this a try. It's that smokiness that really drives it home and makes you feel like you're at a campfire. You guys, this sauce is incredible. It's definitely a keeper. Thanks for watching. You can get the printable recipe in the video description below. Make sure you like, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss a single thing, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find more of my favorite easy recipes and quick tips. I'll see you next time. Bye.